Now I was going to spend some time writing a really fancy script about this Balin's tomb that I've made, but the fact of the matter is I've made a Balin's tomb and it looks really good. From the intricate stone details, the carved runes, the rubble on the floor, the tiny bits of paper that are blown out of a book, the smashed down doors, the carved king's face in the wall in a couple of places, all of these little details come together to make it one of my favourite things that I've ever made. Which, considering some of the things that I've made in the past, I think is saying quite something. But if you're looking at this thinking you couldn't possibly ever make it, you would be completely wrong. I genuinely believe that this is in the grasp of a hell of a lot of people, and you could be one of them. There will be a basic tutorial overview showing you the steps that I took in order to make this, and at the same time I'll be releasing a full detailed tutorial on every single piece, as well as the plans and measurements you need in order to make it exactly as I have made my one. So if that's something you're interested in, then please check out my Patreon. Oh, and by the way, it looks like this with some fancy lighting inside. Ooh, to me.